In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Hubspot with Zendesk. If you are already using Hubspot to manage your contacts and deals, and you use Zendesk to support your customers, an integration can help those two systems work together. In this video, you will connect Zendesk to Hubspot using the built-in app marketplace, and then you will complete the authentication and sync so the connection is ready to use. First, start by opening Hubspot and looking at the main navigation bar at the top of the screen. You will want to click the Marketplace icon. This is the area where Hubspot lists apps that you can install and connect. Once you click the Marketplace icon, select App Marketplace. This takes you to the Search and Browsing area, where you can find the specific Zendesk application you need for the integration. Next, you will search for Zendesk. In the search field, type Zendesk, and then look at the results that appear. When you see the Zendesk app in the list, click it. Take a moment to make sure you are selecting the correct app entry, since there may be multiple related products or listings. Clicking the right one opens the app details page, where you can review what the app does and see the installation options. After you open the Zendesk app page, the next action is to install it. Click Install App. At this point, Hubspot begins the setup process for adding Zendesk into your Hubspot environment. This step matters because it triggers the connection workflow, which is what allows Hubspot to communicate with Zendesk once authorization is complete. Now you will be prompted to log in to your Zendesk account to authorize the connection. When that prompt appears, enter your Zendesk credentials in the appropriate fields and proceed with the authorization flow. The purpose of this step is to confirm that you have permission to connect your Zendesk workspace to your Hubspot account. For security, do not share credentials and only enter information on the official login page shown during the authorization prompt. Once you are signed in, follow the on-screen instructions to finish authentication and complete the connection. This may include confirming access permissions, reviewing what data or actions the integration will allow, and then proceeding when you are satisfied. The goal is to ensure the integration is authorized properly so that Hubspot can pull in the information it needs from Zendesk, and so Zendesk can take advantage of the Hubspot context when support interactions occur. As you continue through the remaining prompts, you will see status updates that confirm whether authentication was successful. If there is a sync step included, keep following the on-screen instructions until the process reports that the connection is complete. If you are asked to select settings for the sync, follow the defaults shown or choose the options that match how you want the integration to behave. If anything looks unclear, pause and read the details before moving forward, since these choices affect how the systems will coordinate going forward. When the authentication and sync process finishes, you can return to Hubspot to verify that the integration appears as connected. This is the confirmation that the Zendesk app is ready to use within your Hubspot account. At this stage, you have completed the essential part of the setup, which is establishing a secure, authorized link between Zendesk and Hubspot. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.